First, I'm going to take 12 gauge wire and bend it into shape. Then, I'm going to attach metal beads to the two ends using Gorilla Glue and polish and sand it to look better. Next, I'm going to mark where I want each of the dangling feather-like pieces to go using a Sharpie and Gorilla Glue little loops on there for them. While that was drying, I went and designed the feather-like pieces that are going to go on it using Fusion 360. I printed them out, sprayed primer on them, and then I sprayed one side blue and the other silver. After that, I attached loops to their holes to then attach to the loops on the cuff, and now it is finished. Now, let's move on to the star earring. First, I designed the star earring on Fusion 360, printed it out, and got a small chain for it. Then I sprayed it with primer and painted it silver. I also cut the chain a bit to make it the appropriate length as it was a little bit long. After that, I took an empty front piece of an earring and Gorilla Glued it to the first ball in the chain. Once that finished drying, I simply took a back piece of an earring and stuck it through a few of the little balls in the back of the chain to make it complete. Now let's move on to the final component, the D-ring earring. This is the quickest and easiest of them, and I'm going to start by taking 2 D-rings and putting one inside of the other. And then I'm going to take this rectangular piece that I got from a belt buckle and put it inside the D-ring as well. Afterwards, I'm going to get a small chain like the one you can find at the end of a necklace and attach a small white bead to the end of it. Once that's done, I'm simply going to attach it to the D-ring. Now to finish, I'm going to take the actual earring part and attach it to the top of the D-ring. With this done, all pieces are now complete.